Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Draw with Kingsuk, and today I will show you how to draw Dexter from Dexter's Laboratory. So first we will draw a straight line like this, and then from the middle till this end we will draw a half circle, and now another one here, and we will now color this. We will completely color this in this pen. Now we will deepen this a little bit. This is actually the glasses Dexter wears, and let's do the eyeball here, and now another one here just like this one, and this is the nose, straight line, another straight line here for the mouth, another one from here till here, and two straight lines for the teeth. And now we will come back here, and from here we will draw the other half circle joining just below the nose, and another one here, and we will color it completely black. So now we will draw the face like this, just curving down here up to here, and another straight line here like this, and another one here. Now from here we'll draw the ear, and we'll join the glasses like this, another one here, and from here we will come to this side, drawing a more or less circle like this, and round like this, another round here till here. We just now got the hair. Now the eyebrow like this here, another one just beside here like this, and now straight line here till here, and straight line like this here. This will be the hand. These are the fingers, and let's draw the buttons here. Just one here, and let's join it. Two triangles here. So just deepen this a little bit, and let's deepen. Oh, I forgot one hand here. Yeah, now just came down for the shoes. These are the boots Dexter's wear. We will completely color it in black. So make it deeper here. You will see that FD cartoon characters from Cartoon Network are more or less like this, and we will now color the shoes here. So actually drawing Dexter is not that difficult. It's a very easy drawing, and after completing it, so my drawing here is complete now. Thank you for watching my video till the end, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please stay in touch with my channel for more of such cartoon character videos. Until then, keep drawing.